Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna show how to hide reviews on Facebook. First of all, I'm gonna open my reviews tab, and here you can see a review in my Facebook page. So here you can't hide or delete from here. If you want to delete or hide review from your page directly, you can't do it from here. So all you have to do, you need to hide this review tab from your Facebook page. So for that, go to settings and now click on templates and tabs, and in this tab section you will get this review. So you have to turn off this review. After that, go back to your Facebook page and refresh the page, and here we can see review tab has been hidden now, so anyone won't be able to see your reviews in your Facebook page. And that's it for now. If you benefited a little from this video, then make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thanks for watching this video.